Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and I thought today we could take a look at Fujifilm's film simulation modes. These are in-camera colour profiles which have been designed to mimic the tones, contrasts, colours and overall look to some of Fujifilm's most popular analogue films, such as PROVIA and VELVIA. Now this allows photographers who are using X series or GFX cameras to get the exact look and feel that they're after in camera without the need for post-processing. These can be accessed via the main menu or that quick Q menu, and all you need to do is just scroll through them until you find the one that you like the look of and then click OK and you're good to go. Now the camera that I've got with me today is the Fujifilm X-T50, and this one actually has a film simulation dial just on the top here, so it's even easier and quicker to find your film simulation mode that you want to use. So I'm just going to click through until I find one that kind of suits the overcast, potentially rainy day ahead. I think we've probably got quite a nice shot here with the pier. Now on days like today when it's kind of drizzly, it's a little bit overcast, I'd normally opt for Acros, which is a high contrast black and white, but I think just purely based on the fact that we do have some colours going on with the orange sand, I may choose either classic neg or nostalgic neg, which gives a more kind of subdued vintage look and feel to your shots. So let's see how we get on. This is always one of my favourite photos to take whenever I come to Bournemouth. We've got the kind of grassy, gardeny type stuff here, and then the big wheel in the background. It always looks really nice. It's a nice contrast between kind of city and garden, and I just love it. Now there's no harm in checking the puddles just in case there are any really nice reflections, and I think I may have found one. I just love how creative you can be and how easy it is to get that filmic look to your photography in camera without the need for post-production. Now you can also customize these film simulation modes so you can give it even more of a unique look and feel, and this can be done either by adjusting the settings yourself or following some recipes. Now these recipes can be found on Fujifilm's website, so I thought maybe we could program one in together just so that you can see how it's done. So the recipe that we're going to use is Nostalgic Summer by Josh Edgoose, who is one of Fujifilm's ex-photographers. Now this uses Nostalgic Neg as a base, so I'm just going to select that one. Now that we've got our base set at Nostalgic Neg, we're going to go ahead and we're going to change our grain effect to weak and large, color chrome effect to weak, Color Chrome FX Blue to weak as well, and then we're going to do white balance to 5600 Kelvin, the dynamic range to DR400, the tone curve highlight to -1.5 and shadow to -1, color to +3, sharpness -1, and then high ISO NR will leave at 0 and clarity will also leave at 0. And then if you wanted to, you can adjust your exposure compensation to either +1/3 or +1. Cool, that's it. Now we hit save and we're good to go. There you have it, the lowdown on film simulations and recipes from Fujifilm. Now let me know in the comments if you have a favorite film simulation mode or a favorite recipe that you've either created or used, as I'd love to give it a go. Now if you'd like to find out any more information on Fujifilm features or products, then head on over to jessops.com now or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.